Wow, wow, wow. People go into nature. I thought people went into nature to connect with nature. I think people go into nature to get some peace and quiet, to take a phone call, to go for a run, to listen to music, catch up with social media. When I look around, everyone either has earpods in or are looking into a screen. I don't see anyone actually looking up or looking around, only if they're walking with another person. So that just shows me something about how people actually don't want to be alone, and especially not alone in nature, which is weird because there's so many sensations. It's so nice. Like, you're not alone in nature because you have nature around you. I'm sitting up against a tree. It's the perfect seat. So if people are walking around alone, they need to have something to look into, listen to. Only if they walk with another person, then they don't need it because then they're social. They don't need the social media when they're social. So they're always